I'm still looking at the JS13 page now, and I want to explain exactly what is going on with JavaScript when it comes up on this attribute of the body tag. So again, when the page loads into the browser, the script is actually executed, and the function guess is loaded into memory. Then later, after the body completely loads, then the guess function is called, and that function then executes, and we get our prompt. This tag onload means that after the page is finished loading, then it's going to do this. This happens an awful lot in languages which are event-driven. So in JavaScript, everything happens in response to a particular event, and those events may be generated by the browser itself, or those events may be generated or initiated by the user. So to demonstrate a user-initiated event, which we can have JavaScript respond to, I'm going to modify JS13 to include a user clicking on a button to begin the quiz here, or begin the guess. And this is done by entering a line of HTML in which we can place a button. So we're going to create a form, very simple form, and then a very simple form element. So I'm going to begin with the form tag, and I'm going to close the form tag. And then between those form tags, I'm going to create a button. And I'm going to put input type equals quote button, and then value equals, and then in quotes, let me play, quote. And then before I actually close off that tag, I'm going to say onClick equals quote, and you probably guessed this already, guess. Left parenthesis, right parenthesis, and then a double quote. So I'm calling the function in response to the user clicking on that button. Now, the one thing that I really should do also, in order to avoid this executing twice, is I'm going to get rid of the onload tag, or the onload attribute, and that should do it. So I'm going to save this as JS13A, and now I'm going to take JS13A and drag it into the window here. And sure enough, it says, welcome to the guessing page, and then let me play. If I click on this, then that is going to begin the prompt. So I'm going to type in the number 10, click OK. I'd love to win. And I get the congratulations box, and I'm finished. So there is an example of JavaScript being called by a user-based event directly in the web page.